Now that the body has moved through the opening of the pathways, addressing heavy metals, and clearing molding candida, we can finally get to the last leg of our journey, parasites. And parasites are far more common than most people realize. Over a lifetime, they can enter the body through food, water, travel, animals, soil, and many other environmental exposures. Many people carry them for years without even realizing it. This phase of the cleanse is designed to help the body begin eliminating those organisms. As you begin parasite cleansing, most of the parasites will leave the body through the stools. This is the body's natural route of elimination, which is why keeping the digestive system moving during this phase is so important. Some people will visibly see parasites in their stools as the body begins eliminating them. Others may not see anything at all, but will still experience improvements in how they feel. Physically, people may experience a variety of temporary symptoms during this phase. These can include fatigue, digestive changes, bloating, changes in bowel movements, skin breakouts, headaches, or periods of feeling run down. And sometimes people also experience what is commonly called a die-off response, where symptoms temporarily increase as the body begins breaking down and removing these organisms. This can feel uncomfortable at times, but it is often a sign that the body is actively working to remove what no longer belongs there. And parasite cleansing is not a short process. Most people will need to support this phase for at least 3 months, and in many cases, 6 to 9 months, depending on how much the body is carrying and how long those burdens have been present. This phase requires patience and consistency. Moving too quickly can overwhelm the body, so it is important to follow the schedules in your booklet and continue spacing your supplements throughout the day as instructed. As you continue through this phase, many people begin noticing gradual improvements. Your digestion may feel more balanced, energy levels may be more stabilized, and the body often starts feeling lighter and clearer over time. By the time you reach the end of this stage of cleansing, many people begin to notice a deeper shift in the way they feel. The constant heaviness, the fatigue, the brain fog, and digestive distress, all of that once felt normal begins to lift. And your energy may feel more stable, your thinking feels more clear, and the body begins functioning more the way it was originally designed to. This is the place that we call restoration. Not perfection, but balance. And once you reach that place, the goal is not to go back to your old patterns, but to continue living in a way that protects and supports the restoration you've worked so hard to achieve. This journey is about returning to your truest self, one step at a time.